Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Logitech G Fits with your iPhone. So first of all, you have to open this charging case and click and hold this button until indicators start blinking quickly. There we go. Right now release that button and go to the settings. You have to open the Bluetooth settings, and from other devices list you have to select your G Fits gaming earbuds. So just click on them once. Right now we are successfully connected, and you can also go to the App Store and get this Logitech application. There we go. We have to get this one, so click download. Right now we can open. Click to scan for devices, click OK. Right now it is looking for our earbuds. We are connected by the standard Bluetooth settings, so there is a big chance that... Okay, never mind. So we have to just move into the pairing mode one more time. So just click and hold this button and release when the indicator turns on. Try to scan again. Let's try to repeat. Okay, let's try to restart the application and unpair these earbuds from the list. Okay, and as you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.